In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy or duplicate sheets in Google Sheets. If you're working from a template, handing off a report, or you just want a safe sandbox to experiment in without touching the original, making a full copy of your Google Sheets file is the quickest, cleanest approach. This creates a brand new spreadsheet that's completely separate from the original, so any edits you make in the copy won't affect the source. Start in your spreadsheet, open in your browser, and signed into the right Google account. It helps to confirm you're in the file you actually want to duplicate, especially if you work with multiple similar documents. If you're using a shared file, keep in mind that your ability to copy may depend on the owner's permissions. Next, head to the menu bar at the top and click File. You'll find it in the upper left corner of the screen. If your window is narrow and the menu looks compressed, you might need to maximize the window to see it clearly. The File menu is where Google Sheets keeps actions related to the whole document, which is why this method duplicates the entire spreadsheet, not just a single tab. From the File menu, choose Make a Copy. This option tells Google Sheets to create a new, independent file based on everything in your current spreadsheet, including its tabs, data, formatting, and most settings. If you don't see Make a Copy or it's grayed out, it usually means the file's owner has restricted copying. A dialog will open prompting you to name your new file. This is a great moment to give your copy a clear, descriptive title so it's easy to find later. Consider adding something like Copy, Draft, a date, or a version number. For example, Quarterly Budget, Copy, 2026-03. Good naming helps you and your team avoid confusion, especially if multiple versions will exist side by side. You'll also see options related to where the file will live in your drive, and, in some cases, how sharing behaves. The important thing right now is the name. When you're ready, click Make a Copy to confirm. Google Sheets will generate the duplicate and typically open it in a new tab. You can tell you're in the copy by looking at the file name at the top left. From here, you're free to work in the duplicated file without altering the original. All your sheets, formulas, and formatting should be intact, giving you a faithful starting point. That's it. Simple, reliable, and perfect for templates, backups, and experiments.